Mulai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentara si kilong, ngat laingut kinong tu diesel na Geo Tower pakarma hakti kipulit, kerwit tangon bat pedu ke eryong ulabba badu krian ya kathan mairang. Pensyai ke Kong Rachel ya kijing temu ke NDWM Press Club. Ban lahir ki kam khayi tu hakapot India Bangladesh IGDSM. Bat mentang ini phai ki Khubor ki ba company. Ki pulit pathar kma hakapor lai baje dang step prenga hakashi tarik Jymmang kila yo bat ya kakali ke badang yad ha pathar kma PWD junction ke bakit nriu tiliki klong plastik ke badap semam da kompanyang diesel kumba arspa arpo hado arspa laipo litar AA. NAKA ni kakali ki pulit kila bat laingut ki breu. Habala toket yakini ki breu la shamba kila tu yakini kompanyang diesel na utawa ka Reliance Geo ubadon ha pathar kma. Kini ki breu kila plaru bakila le yakani ka kamtu. Lakem yaki mardor bat kijing toket kidang yad shakman. Kaman shwa kum kini kijing syatu umpnyang diesel na uni utawa la ut bun sen cheki pulit. La suba de kini kiju ki breu ki badon kti man kapor ban lute umpnyang diesel na uni utawa joka company Geo Reliance na kanega Shillong. Ki pulit kidang toket shano ki de bat manu balat head ya kanega umpnyang diesel. Kumjuru ki pulit kilaya ro bat penpau kejing sngongo ya kinong Samaria babha. Kibala pentip marmar hakapor babiang yakini kejing tu umpnyang diesel bat kilala ban penabjar yakini kinong tu. Kilo ongru bakin leteng katkum ki kendon an yakini kibriyo. Hakashi tarik Jymmang hajar arpusan. Kinong shong shnong bat kinong rep jangkathan Eastern West Khasi Hills District ki bakin top yaki shnong nong thamai, thang mau, mau blay, mau komit, marot bat buon ki weki shnong ba marjan kilamat yakajing ther uslap ke eryong bat upria ubajur. Kini kibor mariang kila penjulor buon teli ki tenum yeng. Katunum yeng school bat khamtam lele ya karep karyang haba ki jing thung kila sedang ban spe bat khelung bat kila pedo bat tango yaki thlengso haki kper bat haki lengkha risai jong ki paj ba ha kani ka district katkum ki telong Khubor belayo lum nakatu kani kinong yalam shnong haki te ki than layathu ba ka jing hab upria ubajur bha kelas dang hakapor khatwe baje menstep haki than thangmau bat hakapor shi baje duna haka than mau komit uslap ulawanra ya ke eryong bat ya upria ubajur hadu kata-kata. Uli upria ula ther bat tangon ya jing thung jing tep ya uso plom so nyamtra biskot so saw so menken ki motor bat bun jat ki we bat ki johor ki jep. Bun ki tin sop ki lape ki tenum. Ha ki ba bun ki shnong kani ka district. Ha ka baya de bat kani ka jing julor ka rep karyang bat ki yeng ki sem. Laya thu bana kalyang ki sordar kila depan pentip marmar syaka office jong ke tenat agriculture jong ke district bat sya BDO mairang blong ban wan jurep bat ban shim jing khen ya ki jing penjot ki bor maryang hagane kesngi.
Ananas di dengan orang selena. Kamu nak buat senar nak beli kita terus mengecri. Itu mai. Kaju man, na, ji bro dok pai fan dah. Kulit ni. Pernah brit. Nusai krek duk sak pelas. Biskot lelai anak laju ki. Trên này Ana, betul dua matai.
Napin tiap jam ilang balut lah isno.
Sini. Aduh, gesok berat pula syuhab madan.
Kenang banwan ra ya kajing shngan jogi nong trei bela haki yeng brio. Kamtam me kitu ki balik bela shabar ka Jylla. Kaseng ki nong trei yeng brio ka bala tip kerteng kum ka National Domestic Workers Movement NDWM hakashi tarik Jymmang ka kong Rachel mautho nong yalam ka ni kaseng kala batay bat pensyai ha Shillong Press Club hakilat batay Khubor ya ki jing trei bat jing thmu jong ka ni kaseng. Ka jing thmu jong ka NDWM kalong ban ai ki jing yada ya ki nong trei belai yeng breu ban lait na ka no ka jing sha le ben ni ban ben ban yo ka bai nong ka babiang bat kumju ban yo ka por song that bat ki jing don kam ha ka por ba ki don ha ki jing bela ka kong Rachel kala kentu bat kerpa di ki nong trei belai yeng breu ban rung dukhot ha ka ni ka seng NDWM kenang ban yo ki jing yada kum ka kenhun kala kerpa ru bat kentu ki trai yeng ki ba ai bela ban ya rap ki nong trei bela yeng ha ba ki pang ki ur ni mensau ha ka por ba ki don ha ki jing trei ha yeng jong ki
Person trong cái all Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union dengan pendidikan pakini kita kinong kitong trong cái union at pakai pendidikan yang tadi. Ka all Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union kebadan haba syatri trong National Domestic Workers Movement Milagyo berperum bertanya kah khatsan dari jumlah pembar arah jakat hatunan labor Shillong. Kejingdan jadi Domestic Workers Union Meghalaya kala banyak nak bentar di Domestic Workers nam tak kahok perkaburam kahok kajongki banten Khubor ki banten yang nak bentar kahok kajongki kajing ada keimlang salam kajing siu ya kakam mati kakam kebedot ban itu ya kakam jongki pun kakam bat kajing no senyang ya keimlang salam kaba aish kabai kapa jong keimlang salam kajing dawa pun kasai kalong bandan kini press bandan kawan februari jom kita mesti fokus. Kapanan arsan ajarun kinong trei yugre pasyong basa ibawan ko haisnong idai ki pala pendrung kerteng fokusan. Dan pun kinong trei pada cepat Khuborjylla ki pentikna ban pendrung kerteng ya kaseng ban kecing peniat nak peta kecing ada jom imlang salam. Itu kinong trei badan hapok kaseng. Iyo kecing tip syakang kahok jom kinong trei. Kecing ada ke imlang salam. Kecing ada but kecing ikai habor kecing tebet ki repair kum kecing shat kecing sumari kecing penyat ban kecing penyat jadi nongwan cuma kai kecing sumari ki kena ikulung bat itemen bat ki wei lembat ki nong trayen la ban tebet kai rakam kecing hi ban yo e ko ram bat ka hok kecing dengan ai Khuborjylla bat baca ban yetu ya kai
Hakajingakran batkilat pathay Khubor ha Shillong Press Club hakashi tarik Jymmang u OP Upadhyay Inspector General Border Security Force Meghalaya Sector ulayat ho ki kam khayi to bat khayi bean ha ki khaput India Bangladesh kila hiar jram ram hakini ki benai nakajingla jagi kunhun BSF ban pahara ya ki khaput Ula batai ru ke sorkar India kelanang penklan syusyu ya ke kaput banum ailat ya ke jingrung tu bat jingrung bean jeng ki breu na Shillong put. Ke sorkar India ru kala penbiang ya ki tiar gitar ya da put ki bapaka. Nalor kata ula ong ki BSF ki pet ngor haki ketem kaput arpusau kentam man kasngi baro sisnem lenter klem sange. Ula ong ru ki pat ba kisngan bha hakisnong kaput namar ka jingtre lang hasenda hapedeng ki BSF bat ki bor pulit ke Jylla.
Withdrawal of forces within BSF or many paramilitary forces for guarding borders are being shifted back to Pakistan border.
I am not aware about these things because we are responsible for Meghalaya border and we are guarding it with full strength and full availability.
Yes, I wanted to point out a paradox. We need two areas where it is forest areas. So how do you reconcile this paradox? How many are there left unfenced? What is the reason?
Actually, roughly, if I can say, around 42 kilometer of border in Meghalaya is unfenced. And primarily it is because of the non-availability of the land. We are working in close coordination with the state government and the officers of the state government and the honorable CM. They are also concerned about this issue, and they are proactively working on that. And I am hopeful that the impediments in this regard will be very soon removed. The respective deputy commissioners of the concerned districts, they are also working on this issue, and they are trying to persuade the villagers, those who are land is going to be affected, and they have got this some concern that after coming of the fencing, the land ahead of the fence will not be available to them. So my approach is that we are ready to help all the border populations, people of the border areas, in whatever sense they will require our assistance, be it in the form of security and patrols, be it in the form of the gates in the fencing. We are ready for that. So from our side, there is no problem. But I also appeal through media to the people of the bordering district that they should cooperate and willingly hand over the lands to the constructing agencies, so that this is a project of the national importance. It has a bearing on the national security, and as soon as we get the area fenced, this will be better for the security of the state, the security of the nation, as well as the security of the border population. So this is the thing, and we are hopeful that we'll.
Khubor kumba shi phau baje min step hakashi tarik Jymmang ke eryong ulaba bat upria ke la penjulor ya kijing thung jing tep bat iki yeng breu habanda jam jai hasnau mau kadiang kabam jingai na sornong ston katunum jaga school BPL secondary mau kadiang kala pay bat ki kjat sngi kila shat pernai krik krik haki kamera kum ki klur hakapor sngi kijing thung jing tep haki lengkari sai bat ki so haki kper kila sha penjulor habanda jam jai hakini Khubor mariang hakani kathan nakaliang usordar kasnong mau kadiang ba paising lengdo puin ule thu bakate ka jing hab jong upria kalane kumba sau pusan minute aa ule thu ru kat kum ka jing yo jing tep nakani kasnong da potili ki yeng kila julor ha uni upria layo iru ya ka jing he jong upria ubala tangon ya kani kasnong hakani kastep shu ulaong ba nakaliang jong kasnong kandang wat jing tip ka babania banyo lum jing kenya baro ki yeng ki bala julor bat ansapha report ya kan ka jing sha penjulor ha Khubor mariang shaka office jong u block development officer nongston CNR di block banyo ki jing rap nakabanta ki long yeng ki bala julor ki yeng shong yeng sa
bi ki rang ko dong ki to bala yu jing kai du kan ni ka porte yang long tang ki ar khong ying e ken rei wanda ki punya kat lu pergi tu ki sakit sebit kan wi ka kan julor om dei tang yi na du bijing tung ki tep sok pai ru julor ru prokot Kidon di katukan di gijing le ba long su ban song ba ta ban sia ban dem
Ya punya tulem
ada stang na du khandai steng e tu ka kane cinta duna ko ba kusan minit rai ka ala don du di judol school ba
Ketenat Sport and Youth Affairs jong Sarkar Jylla hakashitarik Jymmang kalasam scholarship shekinong elekai kiba yokur takma hakijing elekai ba pher lengba ka Chief Minister Sports Scholarship Scheme arhajar arpusau hadu arpusan hakajing elang ka Long Ha State Convention Center Shillong Hagane kalumpung lasam ka scholarship sheki Hindrius Park hat sangut ki khna elekai haki arpuh nyau tli ki jing elekai ba bonjan Kani ka scholarship kalakot sa kasan klur arpu saulak handai pu prahajar san spa tengka. Umentri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma bat umentri ketenat Sport and Youth Affairs ba Syakliar Warjri kila IT ki scholarship syaki Samla hakani ka sngi. Hakani ka lumpung ladan lang uba John ke Kharshiying working president MSOA ki officer ki kemiki kpa ki nong penyat sports bat ki riu khmat jong ka sor Shillong.
In the past few years, if you look at it, there's so many programs the government has started. In particular, there's one program where I feel that when we started this program along with John, who's the working president for MSOA, where we started the STAR program, where we have tested more than 14,500 athletes across the state, and keeping in mind when we started this program, we did not know whether it will be successful or not. But then again, we had to take some certain steps. And I do feel through this particular program where we have started, it is not that we will see the results tomorrow or day after. But we are looking at it from 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, where it is the aim and objective of this particular program is that one day we will be able to produce Olympians from this beautiful state of ours. And I believe through these certain initiatives that we have started, it is just a starting point. There's more to come. But I do believe through these certain initiatives that the government has started, like I said, 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, we will be able to achieve it. With that being said, the government's commitment towards ensuring that the youths of our state are provided with the best, the athletes of our state are provided with the best. When I talk about government commitment, today is the testament that you have seen where we have distributed the sports scholarship. I still remember a few months back, all the athletes from our state kept on calling me, kept on, asking when will we receive the scholarship. But then again, there's a process to everything. So it takes time. But then again, like I said, the government's commitment to ensuring that we provide the best. And I believe that today's program is the testament for that commitment.
Kinoyalam Kajantia National Council JNC Hakashitarik Jymmang. Kilalit tuklar mardor halor kajingsha pensange kam laingut ki local home guards kibalatray lakumba shipho bat khatsan snem haka power grid ka company electric jaka Sarkar India ka badon hakliriat East Jantia Hills. Haba kinoyalam joka JNC kilawat jingtib na u sana Tanudas chief manager ka company labatay baka Sarkar Meghalaya kala penkut ya kajingtray jong kini ki home guard haka neka company. Ka power grid kan sa bujili daki security na ki waypat ki agency jong ka Sarkar India.
Niliang kayo ka Jantia National Council. Aden wana yo jing TV wakani ka power grid ka amin ya po bench room. Ini po East Jantia Hill District da penduk krak ka. Ya ki kendingut ki hongga wa nini na po Jantia kayo di dokumensen ka wasokya. Ni kesini nak lihat yang ini kerjaan si dah jadi, wong yacem, wong hak yang kini ka power grid, santudas wada sign la yakini ga notification wa kriya kam no yakini ki kendengut. Dei na kaliang kesenhi da wajuri na kani ga power grid wata upne ga. Ya kini ki kendengut. Da ha kejingi kalam yang I wa kani ga power grid da chemi wata kani ka jingtmu ko yang ka wa thumno da kiwitawan ki agency. Woman kam kita ki security card hapo kani ka power grid to lengba ka kejing yo approval gi na ka state government. Ihi na kaliang ka agency snyawi wo punremjor. Ya kani ka state government ka kejing ba klik na benta ki civil defense home guard yang ka kejing sekiat hi hawa ka state government. Da go ya ki civil defense ne ya ki home guard. Ile ap sejauh sang approval ya kita ki central agency. Ni ba kini ki home guard yang I jig ukra do apa Meghalaya. Hendra kini ki central agency jig ukra hawra ko vigari India. Kita dah hujing sekiat hi kam ka state government untuk wilayah go ya kini ki agency ki wa nabar wa kini gi ya ka ki kera yang ka ki nong sunong yang ka state yang I. Ihi kam ka agency da wajuri na kini ka power grid ka jing kelam ko yang I tu na kaliang ko yang ki depan por gini I. Aduk kini ka singin kong ka singin war. Ini nak kalian kesen ada kini ka power grid bomye ka upna ya kini ki kendengut. Ini kalian kesen hi daulai da keluti ka watang ne benta ka hop yang kadi wa kejat guru ko yang I. Ne ba kini ke jingla satu I beto fail gana do ka state government. Da ha kini kisngi ki wadawan la ini kalian ka agency wong kut ga kini ka jingi kelam ko yang idu ini. Da persangile awi kelam wa minister concern wa topat ya kini ka benta wa mto ilat ya kita ki
Badak itu ki khubor nglapoi shaka bakut terhadu banginda ya syambiang kublai shibun.